Dear students, now we are at the last rule of bare infinitive. You can see on the board I have written a trick to understand this rule. In box you can see there is then, and, as, or, but, except. When all these words are used as conjunctions in sentences, then you will follow this rule. Otherwise, this rule will not be followed because these words can be used as another part of speech in a sentence. You have to understand that when these words are used as a conjunction, as conjunctions in sentences, when you will follow this rule. Clear? When any one of these words is used in a sentence as a conjunction and before it, this is the condition, before it you will find to infinitive. Clear? Before that conjunction you will find to infinitive, then after it you always use first form of the verb bare infinitive. So let's understand this rule by understanding the sentences. Clear? So look at the board and try to understand. Do you like to watch TV or go to bed early? You can see or is used here as a conjunction because before it there is a sentence and after it there is a sentence. Clear? Or is used here as a conjunction. Clear? And before it you can see to watch. To infinitive is here. So after it we always use first form of the verb. Not to go, not going, not went, only first form of the verb, that is go. Clear? Understand? In the second sentence, he had nothing to eat except drink water. You can see here again, except before it there is a sentence and after it there is also a sentence. Clear? This is a conjunction and before it you can see to infinitive is used. Clear? So after it we always use first form of the verb bare infinitive. I hope you all have understood this rule very clearly. Clear? Now see, check the note what is written here. This rule is related only to but and except. When but and except are used as a conjunction in a sentence and before it you will find the verb do, does and did, and after them everything, nothing and anything are used when you will follow this rule. Clear? So let's see the example and try to understand. He does nothing but sleep. Clear? He does nothing but is here and before it you can see the verb does is used and nothing is also used. Clear? So after it we always use first form of the verb bare infinitive will be used here. Clear? Only with do, does and did, not another verb. Clear? Check another sentence. I want nothing except help others. Now see, except is here. Clear? Before it, nothing is also there. But one condition is not fulfilled. The verb do, does and did. At the place of them, want is here. It means that at the place of do, does and did, we used here want. That is wrong. Because this rule is will be followed with the verb do, does and did, not another verbs. Clear? That's why the sentence is wrong. In this case, bare infinitive will not be used. At the place of bare infinitive, you will use to infinitive. This sentence is correct. The right sentence will be, I want nothing except to help others. At the place of bare infinitive, we will use to infinitive when another verb will be used at the place of do, does and did. Dear students, I hope you all have understood the topic infinitive. Further, if you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a good day.